Hello student, my name is Nilesh Kumar Jadhav. In this video, we will learn how to prepare C chart, that is number of defects per unit chart. This C chart is used to monitor the number of defects per unit. It is used in the situation where the occurrence of defects in any unit is very rare or small. To handle this type of situation, Poisson distribution is used. Yes, we will proceed briefly to the steps involved in the construction of C chart. Step 1, selection of sample. Here we have to select k subsamples, each of size 1, that is sample size of each subsample should be 1. We have to take it randomly from the production process. Next, second step, counting of number of defects for each sample. By studying the quality characteristic of each unit, count the number of defects and put it in the form of table as sample number 1 and the corresponding number of defects are C1. In second sample, C2 number of defects, and so on up to in kth sample there is 1 unit and it contains Ck number of defects. As noted earlier, these CIs are assumed to follow Poisson distribution with parameter m. The mean of Poisson distribution is m and standard error is square root m. As we know, the control limits for attribute chart are obtained by using the formula CL is mean, lower control limit is mean minus 3 standard error and upper control limit is mean plus 3 standard error. So by replacing mean by m and standard error by root m, we can write the control limits for number of defects per unit chart as CLC is m, LCLC is m minus 3 root m and UCLC is m plus 3 root m. Unfortunately, this m parameter of Poisson distribution is not known in advance and we have to estimate it by using its suitable estimate, and yes, its suitable estimate is C bar. Step 3, computation of average number of defects, that is C bar. We use the following formula to calculate the average number of defects as C bar is equal to summation Ci divided by k, that is sum of all number of defects divided by k subsamples. We will proceed to step 4, computation of control limits. After calculation of C bar, we compute 3 control limits. The center line is C bar, lower control limit is C bar minus 3 root C bar and upper control limit is C bar plus 3 root C bar. Here we have to note that if lower control limit of C chart comes out to be negative, then we have to take it 0 because number of defects per unit cannot be negative. Last step, plotting of chart. Yes, we take sample number on x-axis and number of defects along y-axis and draw 3 horizontal lines, that is CL, LCL and UCL. Also, we plot all the points on the chart corresponding to sample numbers and their respective number of defects, which will give us C chart. We will proceed to an example. Example 1. In an examination of 10 new model computers, the following number of defects per computer were observed. We have given a table which contains sample number and corresponding number of defects. That is, for first sample there are 8 defects, in second sample there are 5 defects, so on up to in 10 sample there are 9 defects. Draw an appropriate control chart and state whether the process is under control or not. Solution. We have given n is equal to 1, k is equal to 10. As we have given the number of defects, so the appropriate control chart in this situation is C chart because each sample contains only one observation and as number of defects are given. So we know the control limits for C chart is CL is C bar, LCL is C bar minus 3 root C bar, UCL is C bar plus 3 root C bar. To obtain the control limits for C chart, we require the value of C bar. To obtain the value of C bar, we use this formula C bar is equal to summation Ci divided by k, that is sum of all defects all number of defects divided by k. So sum of all defects is 70 divided by k, 10. 70 divided by 10 is 7. Now we will proceed to the computation of control limits. The center line for C chart is C bar and it is 7. The lower control limit of C chart is C bar minus 3 root C bar, that is 7 minus 3 root 7. After simplification, we will get the value of lower control limit is minus 0.93725. Now look at the value of lower control limit, it is negative, but number of defects cannot be negative, so we take this lower control limit 0. The upper control limit for C chart is C bar plus 3 root C bar. After simplification, we will get the upper control limit for C chart is 14.93725. Now by obtaining these three control limits, we will proceed to next step, that is the plotting of C chart. We know the graph paper. First we prepare x and y axis, horizontal x, vertical y. We will take sample number along x axis. There are 10 samples, so we put 1, 2, so on up to 10 on x axis. Along y axis we take number of defects because we are preparing C chart. Now decide the limits on y axis. We have to consider the actual data and lower and upper control limits. So in the actual data, the smallest value is 3 and lower control limit is 0. The smallest among these two is 0. Yes. In the data, 10 is the largest number of defects and upper control limit is 14.93725. The largest among these two is 14.93725. So we require the scale in such a way that 0 as well as 14.93 means approximately 15 should be reflected on y-axis. So appropriately we will choose the scale on y-axis, that is 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Now next step is plotting of control limits. As the CL is C bar is 7, so we make a dark line horizontal to x-axis at the point 7, CLC. Next is lower control limit, which is 0, so we draw on x-axis itself, and the upper control limit is 14.93, so we make it parallel to x-axis at the point 14.93. Now next step is we have to put the points in this graph as per the data given. So for sample 1 there are 8 defective, so we make a dot in sample number 1 line corresponding to 8 on y-axis, so the point is here. For second sample we put it against 5, for third it is 6, next is 4, next is 3, 8, 8, 10, 9 and last is 9. The scale on x-axis we have taken 1 centimeter is equal to 1 sample, on y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 defect. This is the control chart for number of defects per unit. So conclusion, since all the sample points lies within the control limits of C chart, it shows that the process is under statistical control. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and share this video. Thank you very much.